odontology not only deals with the preventive periodontics, that is dealing with the brushing techniques and other oral hygiene aids, but also deals with the treatment of the periodontal diseases which are in the advanced stage, be it the aggressive periodontitis, which is very difficult to treat, and we are also doing implants, which is this department acts as a bridge between the dentulous and edentulous patients. Our department has been doing lot of work on smile designing and various aesthetic surgeries using a minimal invasive techniques.